Hi friends, welcome to my channel. You are watching Erola Suresh YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, let's concentrate on the important bits from the topic biological classification. From this topic, this is the second video because the topic is having so many questions which were already asked in previous examinations. Okay, let's concentrate on the questions directly. Difference in gram positive and gram negative bacteria is due to cell wall, cell membrane, ribosome and cytoplasm. The correct answer is option A, cell wall. Transfer of genetic information from one bacterium to another in the transduction process is through bacteriophages released from the donor bacterial strain, another bacterium having special organ for conjugation, physical contact between donor and recipient strains, conjugation between opposite strain bacterium. Now the correct answer is option A, bacteriophages released from the donor bacterial strain. A bacterium divides every 35 minutes. If a culture containing 10 power 5 cells per ml is grown for 175 minutes, what will be the cell concentration per ml after 175 minutes? 35 into 10 power 5 cells, 32 into 10 power 5 cells, 175 into 10 power 5 cells and 85 into 10 power 5 cells. Now the correct answer is option B, 32 into 10 to the power of 5 cells. The DNA of E. coli is double-stranded and linear, double-stranded and circular, single-stranded and linear, and single-stranded and circular. And the correct answer is option B, double-stranded and circular. The main role of bacteria in the carbon cycle involves chemosynthesis, digestion or breakdown of organic compounds, photosynthesis, assimilation of nitrogenous compounds. The correct answer is option B, digestion or breakdown of organic compounds. Few organisms are known to grow and multiply at temperatures of 100 to 105 degrees of Celsius. They belong to thermophilic sulfur bacteria, hot spring blue-green algae, methanogenic archaebacteria and marine archaebacteria. The correct answer is option A, thermophilic sulfur bacteria. The hereditary material present in the bacterium E. coli is single-stranded DNA, double-stranded DNA, DNA and RNA. The answer is option B, double-stranded DNA. Azotobacter and Bacillus polymixa are the examples of pathogenic bacteria, decomposers, symbiotic nitrogen fixer and non-symbiotic nitrogen fixer. Now the answer is option D, non-symbiotic nitrogen fixer. What are the sex organs provided in some bacteria? Sex pili, plasmid, circular DNA and gametes. Now the answer is option A, sex pili. Which type of DNA is found in bacteria? Circular free DNA, membrane bound DNA, straight DNA and helical DNA. Now the answer is option A, circular free DNA. A large number of organic compounds can be decomposed by Azotobacter, chemolithotrophs, mycoplasma and pseudomonas. Answer is option B, chemolithotrophs. Many blue-green algae occur in thermal springs, hot water springs. The temperature tolerance of these algae have been attributed to their mitochondrial structure, importance of homopolar bonds in their proteins, cell wall structure and modern cell organization. Answer is option C, cell wall structure. Organisms which fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil fall under the category of bacteria, green algae, soil fungi and mosses. Answer is option A, bacteria. Transduction in bacteria is mediated by plasmid vectors, phase vectors, cosmids and F factors. The answer is option B, phase vectors. Genophore bacterial genome or nucleide is made of histones and non-histones, RNA and histones, a single double-stranded DNA, a single-stranded DNA. Now the answer is option C, a single double-stranded DNA. Escherichia coli is used extensively in biological research as it is easily cultured, easily available, easy to handle, easy multiplied in host. Answer is option A, easily cultured. Bacteria lack alternation of generation because there is neither syngamy nor reduction division, distinct chromosomes are absent, no conjugation, no exchange of genetic material. Answer is option A, neither syngamy nor reduction division. Name the organisms which do not derive energy directly or indirectly from sun. Chemosynthetic bacteria, pathogenic bacteria, symbiotic bacteria, mold. The answer is option A, chemosynthetic bacteria. The main difference in gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria resides in their cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, flagella. Answer is option A, cell wall. Which one belongs to Monera? Amoeba, Escherichia, Gelidium, Spirogyra. Answer is option B, Escherichia. Which of the following organisms are known as chief producers in the oceans? Dinoflagellates, diatoms, cyanobacteria, euglenides. The answer is option B, diatoms. Ciliates differ from all other protozoans in using flagella for locomotion, having a contractile vacuole for removing excess water, using pseudopodia for capturing prey, having two types of nuclei. Answer is option D, having two types of nuclei. Select the wrong statement. The walls of diatoms are easily destructible. Diatomaceous earth is formed by the cell walls of diatoms. Diatoms are chief producers in the oceans. Diatoms are microscopic and float passively in water. Now, answer is option A. The walls of diatoms are easily destructible. Chrysophytes, euglenides, dinoflagellates, and slime molds are included in the kingdom fungi, Animalia, Monera, Protista. The answer is option D, Protista. In which group of organisms the cell walls form two thin overlapping shells which fit together? Dinoflagellates, slime molds, and chrysophytes, euglenides. Answer is option C, chrysophytes. Which one of the following organism is not an eukaryote? Paramecium chordatum, Escherichia coli, Euglena viridis, amoeba, Proteus. Now the answer is option B, Escherichia coli. Which one of the following is a slime mold? Physarum, Theobacillus, Anabina, Rhizopus. Answer is Physarum, option A. Oxospores and Hormogonia are formed respectively by some diatoms and several cyanobacteria, some cyanobacteria and many diatoms, several cyanobacteria and several diatoms and a few cyanobacteria. The answer is option D, several diatoms and a few cyanobacteria. When a freshwater protozoan possessing a contractile vacuole is placed in a glass containing marine water, the vacuole will increase in number, disappear, increase in size, decrease in size. The answer is option D, decrease in size. The chief advantage of encystment of an amoeba is the ability to survive during adverse physical conditions, the ability to live for sometimes without ingesting food, protection from parasites and predators, the chance to get rid of accumulated waste products. The answer is option A, the ability to survive during adverse physical conditions. In which of the following animals dimorphic nucleus is found? Amoeba Proteus, Trypanosoma gambians, Plasmodium vivax, and Paramecium chordatum. The answer is option D, Paramecium chordatum. In protozoa like amoeba and paramecium, the organ for osmoregulation is contractile vacuole, mitochondria, nucleus, and food vacuole. Now the correct answer is option A, contractile vacuole. Which of the following organisms possesses characteristics of a plant and an animal? Euglena, Paramecium, bacteria, Mycoplasma. Now the answer is option A, Euglena. The function of contractile vacuole in protozoa is osmoregulation, reproduction, locomotion, and digestion of food. Correct answer is option A, osmoregulation. The protists have only free nucleic acid aggregates, membrane-bound nucleoproteins lying embedded in the cytoplasm, gene containing nucleoproteins condensed together in loose mass, nucleoprotein in direct contact with the rest of the cell substance. The correct answer is option B, membrane bound nucleoproteins lying embedded in the cytoplasm. Okay friends, remaining questions I will provide in other video. So keep watching my channel. Thank you for watching.